Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something with the truck. I had Jamo send me a muffler for the 5-inch exhaust, and today's video I'm going to show the difference and decibel readings from straight pipe 5-inch on a 6.7 to mufflered 5-inch on a 6.7. So I bought this sound level meter. I'll throw the link in the description. I'm not exactly sure how many people are going to be interested in buying one of these, but I got one just for this video. It reads the decibel limit. It showed for like hearing and stuff, but I'm going to use it to see how loud the exhaust is. I'll also show readings inside the truck, outside the truck, and you know, kind of give you guys a feeling what it sounds like and also what the decibel reading is of the exhaust. All right, so I have the decibel meter right here. I'm going to remote start the truck and see what it is. This is with the straight pipe. I'll do it straight piped, mufflered. The interior position for the decibel meter will be on top of the center console, and it will stay there for all readings with straight pipe and non-straight pipe. And the camera will be continuously recording, and I'll use audio off of the Sony. I have the camera that's watching the decibel meter on a suction cup. The decibel meter is Gorilla taped, and so is the camera with all the audio. So we'll see what happens. Inside the truck, it's a little bit under 50 decibels, 48.3 with the straight pipe. Inside the truck with the muffler, it's 47.4 decibels. So now for the comparison part. I got a muffler from Jamo to replace a straight pipe section in the exhaust. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. That thing is sexy. Nice and stainless, says Jamo on the side. Has arrows on it for the orientation, so the exhaust flows with the arrows. And yeah, let me go get under the truck and put this on. It'll probably take me a good like 20 minutes. The inside of this thing is crazy. It looks like some shark teeth or something. Just installed the Jammo performance muffler, and now I'm gonna go take it for a drive with the decibel meter and see what she reads. Alright, so cruising the FD over to Ford, I'm going to get a baseline for you guys on this exhaust and how loud a stock F350 exhaust is on a 6.7, just so you can compare the stock exhaust inside and outside to my truck, which has the Jammo straight pipe and with the muffler. And I think that will be a really good comparison, just so we can see, you know, the interior, how loud it is, the exterior, how much louder it is, and everything. The FD, I checked it, it would never fly in California. It is like idling in the driveway. It was like 103, 104. Okay, so this is the stock, what is this, F250, 350?
350.
350 Lariat, and completely stock from the dealership. And I have the decibel meter here because this one doesn't have a sunroof, so I couldn't put it on the center console. And let's see what it reads. So that wraps up this episode. It just shows you that the stock truck, when you do rip on it the same, it does get up in the 100, 110 range. The Jammo 5-inch with the muffler was, you know, 110 to 113. The 5-inch straight pipe almost made it up to 120 decibels. So that kind of just shows you the difference with a muffler, without a muffler, compared to a stock truck. So that just shows you the difference between a muffler and a straight pipe exhaust compared to a stock exhaust. Depending where you live, straight pipe might be best for you. The straight pipe does sound really good, makes it really raspy when you get on it. You can always hear the turbocharger, which is really nice. If you have neighbors that aren't really pumped, they might not be too happy about a straight pipe exhaust. If you put the muffler on, it really quiets it down, makes it so you can, once you get on it, you can still hear the turbocharger, hear that raspy 5-inch exhaust, but it is muffled down. So when you're cruising around, you're not waking up people in your neighborhood, which is kind of a good thing and a bad thing, just depending where you live. And as always, make sure to leave a comment below. If you're not on my Instagram, make sure to go check it out. The link is right here. It's junkyard.dave. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next episode.